Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. So I thought I would do a technical analysis video on Adani, and which I've been watching it for the last 2-3 days. At least I can give you some view based on technical analysis, if not the fundamental part, because I'm not a guy who can scrutinize hundreds of pages and come up with a view. I'm not very good at fundamentals, but however, I'm good at technical, so that I can give you some view about what is happening with Adani. And is it bad? Is it good? So basically, I've been watching this particular trend line. I thought Adani End would take a support here. I didn't expect there would be a reversal, but I thought there would be a consolidation at least, because this trend line, there was a huge buying in the year of 2021, which acted as a base for this 100% move. So basically, there were a lot of buyers, meaning that there could be some kind of a buying momentum around this area, which could halt the humongous selling, if not reversal. At least I thought it would. There would be some kind of consolidation around this trend line, but no, there is a huge selling even after this trend line is tested, which tells you that the Adani is in a very bad position. We still have 2 more hours. I mean 1.5 hours more for the market to close today, and still one more day for the weekly close. I don't know if there will be a recovery candle tomorrow. If there is a recovery candle, that would be nice, because you could expect some consolidation at least. Because you don't want Adani Enterprises to fall, no matter if you are invested or not, because I have no position, guys. Be it the short, I did not short here, I did not buy here. Adani, and I did not do anything because I was not very comfortable with buying for more than 1.5 years. So although I don't want it to fall, because of the obvious reason, they have some public sector banks have some exposure to Adani Enterprises. Although there are some talks that Adani is planning to sell some assets to pay the debt. Let's see how this all goes, but I thought there would be some kind of a buying here, but this is a clear selling, and we do not want this. And let's see how it all goes for the next 2 days. As far as the market, Nifty, if it weren't for the Adani Enterprise fall, Nifty would have been slightly bullish, but because Adani Enterprise has a weightage towards Nifty 50, it is slightly bearish, and that is why you see a shitty price action here. Probably it can be in this pattern for some more days, and it's going to be a little bit boring price action, I guess. So let's just wait and see how this all ends up. Do not take a trade, guys. These are the times where you come across a lot of news. Some people will be making money in Adani Enterprise by shorting. You never know when there is a huge buying coming. So I'm not touching it, and the traders must, as a trader, you must know that when to step back and wait for the right time, and when to go aggressive. So this is not the time I'm going to play aggressively. I'm not even going to test with small capital. I'm just fine with looking at the market, because the market is not good. As I'm just waiting for the Adani Enterprise to settle a bit, and then probably the other stocks in the Nifty 50 could support. If other stocks go up, probably we can see some bullishness in Nifty. So yeah, that is what, guys. What could happen is it can just be in this pattern, and if it is breaking down of this, that's going to be a bad news for Nifty. So let's all hope that everything goes well. If we don't want Adani Enterprise to fall down. So yeah, and also regarding the Hindenburg reports and everything, I just have few things to say. There is this guy called Bill Ackman, who is a famous hedge fund guy in US investing world. He's known for his poor credibility. He has been into some lawsuit, and he has paid a lot of $1 million for the settlement. I'm not going to go into the details. He is also vouching a guy from crypto known as Sam Bankman, who basically mismanaged the customer funds and traded. So basically this guy, Bill Ackman, is vouching for him and his credibility, and he's blaming Adani. Although everything is, see, I'm not going to go into details about if Adani is doing right or not. It's for another debate, but the fact that he is supporting a con man, and he is against a guy who is doing things relatively well when compared to SBF. So the fact that he is commenting on Adani Enterprises repeatedly, at least twice or thrice this week, tells you that these reports are have some ill intent. And yeah, let's hope Adani has some plans, like how Dhirubhai Ambani had some plans back then. So let's all hope everything settles. And this is my view. I still have no clue what's gonna happen, just like others. Just that I just wanted to give you some idea about in terms of technical perspective, because it's bad, to be honest. Adani Enterprise is not looking good technically. Yeah, that would be all, guys. I thought I would do a video on this, and yeah, that would be all. Thank you so much for watching this video with patience. See you soon again.